Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Model Kit Review. In today's fun sneak peek video, we are taking a look at MiniArt's P-47D 25RE Thunderbolt. This is MiniArt kit number 48009. This kit has gotten a lot of press recently, and it is being touted as the best P-47D kit currently available. I just ordered this kit from Squadron, and I'm currently waiting for it to arrive in the mail. When the kit comes in, I'll do an inbox review, and then I'm planning on building this right away and doing another full review of this model kit once I finish it. That way you guys know what problem areas to watch out for or any difficulties in construction. I'll also be talking about how this kit compares with other P-47 kits from Hasegawa and Tamiya. Looking at the CAD drawings, one thing that we notice right away is the level of surface detail on this kit. And this is much more rivet intensive than the Tamiya or Hasegawa offerings. I've watched several build reviews of this kit previously, and I think that the surface detailing might be a little bit on the heavy-handed side, but that's certainly a matter of taste, and I'll wait to give final judgment on that until I actually see the plastic parts. One highlight of the kit looks to be the kit engine. There are quite a few parts that go into building the kit engine, but I think if you take a little bit of time here, this is really going to turn out nice and really be a highlight on this model kit. The canopy detail looks nice as well. I'm just hoping that the rivet detail isn't noticeably overscale in this area. Another thing I noticed in these reviews is this kit is very parts heavy. And so while it gives a level of detail that is above and beyond the Tamiya kit or the Hasegawa kit, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a much more involved build than either of those kits. It's going to take more time, it's more parts intensive, and then there's going to be much more time spent on cleanup and test fitting the parts. The version I got is the version shown here. It is the basic kit. There are two marking options included with this kit. The first one is a 62nd Fighter Squadron, 56th Fighter Group, 8th Air Force P-47. And the second marking option is for an 82nd Fighter Squadron, 78th Fighter Group, 8th Air Force P-47. Both of these marking options are colorful, and I think they'll look really nice on the shelf. All right, I'm super stoked for this one to arrive in the mail. I'm very excited to get going on it and really rip into the assembly and start building this kit. I haven't built a lot of the P-47 models, and so I'm going to use this as an excuse to put one on the shelf. And I will take you guys along in the build process and keep you updated. I'll probably do a build log as I go through this kit. Well, I'd love to know what you guys think. If any of you have built a MiniArt P-47, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. As always, I hope you found this video entertaining and informative, and until next time, model on.